Coil alignment. How to get all the air to go through all of the coil. For a smooth transition of air from the furnace to the coil, a transition is recommended. Many manufacturers have recommendations for coil transitions. Check product and installation manuals for more information. There are numerous preferred and alternative ways to transition the air into the coil to assure smooth air bathing the entire coil. Because of baffles and restrictions in some furnaces, the airflow leaving the furnace may not bathe the entire coil surface, and there may be turbulence above the coil because of restrictive fittings. A 12 to 18 inch transition smooths and directs the airflow over the entire coil, and the use of less restrictive fittings resolves any turbulence in the ductwork. So next time you do an install, consider some type of a transition to direct airflow and increase system efficiency.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.